Every single day you type your password into your email, your bank account and your social media. You watch the letter turn into little black dot and you feel entirely safe. But the little black dot are an illusion. A password is not a magical digital force field. It is just a digital padlock on a digital door. And to show you exactly how easily the padlock can be shattered, I want to introduce you to our test subject. Let's call him Tim. Tim thinks he is a cybersecurity genius because he did not click on a weird links. Look at him, safe in his room. But just outside Tim's digital house, a hacker is standing at his front door. And the hacker did not need the original key to get in. They just need to know how to break the lock. When a hacker encounters a locked door, their first absolute most basics option is brute force attack. Imagine you are standing in front of your house but you lost your key. Suddenly a giant Karen drop a metal key rings the size of car next to you, covered in 1 million different keys. To get inside, you have to try every single key one by one. You start with first one, it failed. The second one, it failed. In the digital world, a brute force attack is a computer program guess every single possible combination of characters AAA, AAB, AAC, AAD. But there is a problem for hacker. Mathematics. If Tim password is completely random 16 character string of letter, number and a symbol, this method is basically useless. Even a supercomputer might be take 3 trillion years to randomly guess a perfect 16 character password. And hackers are lazy. They did not have 3 million years to wait for Tim's account. So the hacker drops the massive rings of a million keys. They realize that the hacking the math is stupid because humans are predictable. Instead of attacking the computer's math, they investigate the human. This is called a dictionary attack. The hacker scroll through Tim's social media. They see a picture of Tim's new puppy. The caption say, "Welcome to the family, Max." They see Tim just celebrate his birthday. He was born in 1992. The hacker walked back up to the massive steel door. But this time they did not have a million random keys. They have a specific custom made key. It is labeled Max 1992. They slide the key in and instantly the heavy steel door file wide open. Now a directory attack did not just guess one pet name. It guessed actually directory words, pop culture reference and sport teams completely automatically. Hackers download a massive text file from the dark web containing billions of most common passwords humans use. The most famous list in the world is called RockU list. They feed this list into hacking software which fire the word at the digital lock at blinding speed. We are talking about trying 10 million different directory word every single second. If your password is a word found in the directory, a pet name or a favorite sport team, you did not have a password, you have an open door. But the nightmare for the team did not stop there. Once a hacker get one password, they use a terrifying technique called credential stuffing. You see, team is like 80% of people on the internet. He does not want to remember 50 different passwords. So he used Max 1992 for his Facebook, but he also used for his Gmail and his Amazon and his online banking. The hacker did not need to hack the bank's billions-dollar security system. They already have the team's master key. They just walk up to the bank door, use the Facebook password and walk right in. This is the domino effect of a bad password. Once cracked account burn your entire digital life to the ground. This is why using password 123 or your dog name will get you hacked in less than a second. Without giving me your actual current password, what is the absolute dumbest thing you used to use as a password when you were a kid? I used to use Ninja123. Tell me you're down in the comment right now. Let's see who was the worst one. But if a hacker did not want to guess your password, they can just trick you into handling over yourself. Click the video on your screen right now to see how the most devastating social engineering trick work. But what happened when a poor team finally get inside his computer only to find hacker was lock him out of his own file? Hit subscribe because my next video breaking down ransomware in next week.